Assalamu alaikum dear students. This is me your teacher Mushtaq Ahmed at Vera Foundation College Nusharaf Rose, subject teacher computer. Dear students, today we are going to learn some topic using Microsoft Word, and Microsoft Word is one of the general purpose softwares that is used by each and every user over all the world. So dear students, Microsoft Word is used to edit or format a document. So dear students, first of all we will have to focus on Home tab. So Home tab is used to edit or format a document. So dear students, when you will click on the Home tab, first of all there is the box of Calibri body in which different styles of typing are available. Second one box is also used to increase or decrease the size of the fonts. Okay dear students, second one, here the size is font grow. Okay dear students, so here we can, if we click here, the size of the fonts will be increased. Okay dear students, so here there are two formats of capital A. Number one, capital A is displayed here. So when we will type any word, for example we type here Bahria Foundation College Nusharaf Rose. Okay dear students, for example we have typed here Bahria Foundation College Nusharaf Rose and we want to apply grow font or shrink font on this sentence. So dear students, you can see that in this box the size of the letters, size of the fonts is already set as 18. So when we are going to apply grow font function on this sentence, first of all we should select this sentence. So to select the sentence we should place the cursor to the left side or the right side of the sentence, and we will press left click of our mouse. We press left click of our mouse and drag to the opposite direction of the sentence. So by applying this function, our sentence will be selected, and then we will be able to apply any function from the toolbox of the Microsoft Word. So dear students, here Bahria Foundation College Nusharaf Rose, the size of this sentence is already 18. If we will click on the grow font, the size of the letters, size of the fonts will be increased. For example, we are clicking here. Okay dear students, you saw that first time the size of our letters was 18. When we pressed on grow font function, the size of letters has been 22. And when we will second time click on this, the size will also be increased. For suppose we are going to click on this grow font. So dear students, by this process your size of the fonts will be increased. Second one is shrink font. Shrink font is opposite function to the grow font, and when we will click on the shrink font, the size of our letters or fonts will be decreased. So dear students, you see that here the size of fonts is already fixed as 90. When we are going to click on the shrink font, the size of letters will be decreased. Okay dear students, now we are clicking on shrink fonts. You see that size of fonts is being reduced by clicking on shrink fonts. Okay dear students, so dear students, we have also learned about growing or shrinking the size of the fonts in Microsoft Word. So dear students, your lecture is ended here, and you will have to type a sentence on Microsoft Word and briefly discuss about increasing or decreasing the size of the fonts by clicking on grow font and shrink font functions in MS Word. So dear students, today's our lecture is ended here, and we will meet in coming up lecture. Still Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum dear students.